In this video, I'm going to be giving you my honest review of CoinSnap. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you got old coins lying around, wondering if they're rare or just spare, let's find out with CoinSnap, the app that turns your phone into a coin expert in seconds. Let's dive in. Alright, so CoinSnap is a mobile app designed to identify, appraise, and provide a background info on coins just by scanning them with your phone's camera. It's available for both iOS and Android. So now how it works, I'm just going to open up CoinSnap, going to reconnect to the internet. Alright, so once you log into CoinSnap or come to this page, we need to go ahead and click on Identify. So if we go ahead and click on Identify, it's going to open up the camera. Now from here, I'm just going to take a photo of the reverse. I'll take a photo, and then I'm going to flip the coin around, and then I'm going to take a photo of this. And now it's going to start scanning this coin. Then from here, it's going to give you some information. So I'm just got the common $1 Australian dollar, Landcare Australian 1993. And it's got a reference price of $3.91, which is interesting because this is a $1 coin. If we scroll down, we can see some expert insights. So this is a very common coin with over 18 million mintage. And then you can see the supply analyst, the market demand, the value insights as well. So we can start a coin grading if we like. We've got more price by grade, denomination, the composition of the coin, designer, the Kraus number, and all that stuff down here. And if you like a particular coin, if you got some rare ones, we can go ahead and add that to the collection if you like. Now, if we go back to the home page, we can start our custom set. So you can start your collection journey here by clicking on Create Set. We've even got some Coin Talk news and stuff like that, expert picks. Overall, I really like this CoinSnap application. Now, some of the key features. So it's got accurate coin recognition using advanced AI. It's got historical details and current market values, collection tracking and organization, and it also offers a premium version, offer deeper price insights with no ads. And as you can see with the interface, it's super user friendly. There's no dramas here going through all the different parts of the app. And as you've seen, it's fast and surprisingly accurate results. And it's also great for beginners and casual collectors. It does really help you figure out if you're holding a treasure or a pocket change. Now, some of the cons of this app. It's got limited scans in the free version. So if you don't want to get the premium, you're only going to have limited scans, which sucks. Occasional misidentification with worn out or rare coins I've noticed as well. Also, premium subscription can be pricey if you're not a frequent user. So you got to see if this is worth the price for this app. This is perfect for hobbyists, garage sale explorers, or even antique lovers, or even anyone curious about loose change at the bottom of the drawer.